Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving into SS command, a powerful tool for network monitoring and troubleshooting in Linux. Whether you are managing a server, debugging a network issues, or optimizing a system performance, SS is an essential command to have in your toolbox. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use SS to inspect the network connections, analyze the listening ports, and diagnose the issue effectively. I will be running these commands on Rocky Linux, but they apply to most Linux distribution. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for SS command and the options you can see here on my screen. The SS is known for socket statistics command is used to display the detailed information about the network connection on a Linux system. It's a faster and more efficient alternative to the older netstat command. Unlike netstat, SS retrieves the socket information directly from the kernel, making it significantly quicker and more resource efficient. So let's see the basic usage for checking all the network connections. So run SS, you need to run this option tulwn. We will see each options. So this is the most basic command when you use SS hyphen tulwn. It stands for hyphen T shows the TCP connections, hyphen U shows the UDP connection, hyphen L display the listening sockets means service waiting for the connection, hyphen W includes the raw sockets, hyphen N shows the numerical address instead of resolving the host name. This command is useful for checking which service are actively listening on your system and debugging the connection issues. Imagine you are troubleshooting a web server on Rocky Linux and you want to check if Apache HTTPD is listening on port 80. So for that, run -tuln followed by grep. You can mention like this. If you see the output like this, it confirms that Apache is listening for incoming connection on port 80. In my case, it is running on 8080 port. If there is no output, the service might not be running or listening on a different port. To view only active established connections, use SS-TUN state and followed by established. This is helpful when checking active connections to your server or verifying if a remote service is reachable. For example, a developer wants to check if there is a database server is actively handling the connection or not. For that, we can check with grep and the database port is 3306. In my case, there is no any database engine running on my system. If MySQL or MariaDB is receiving the connection, you will see the output showing the source and the destination IP address along with the connection state. So let's see the other use case. To check which process are using network socket, you can run -tulpn. -p flags displays the process name and the PID for each connection. For example, you are diagnosing high CPU usage and suspect an unknown or misbehaving process is consuming the network resource. Running this command helps to identify which service are actively using network ports. So let's see how we can filter the connection by port or addresses. To list all the connection on a specific port, say port 443, that is HTTPS, run ss hyphen tuln and sort by 443. Yes, port 443. So this helps to verify if a web server is accepting the secure connection. Similarly, to check the connection from a specific IP address, you can run, instead of this export, you can run source followed by the IP address. Assume I'm giving this IP address. This is useful for investigating the traffic from a suspicious host. As you can see, there is no any output because this IP address is not there in my network. I have just for example, I have used this IP address. Let's see how we can monitor the network activity in a real time. You can monitor network connection dynamically using watch command. For every 2 seconds. So this updates the SS output every 2 seconds. For example, a system administrator want to monitor the live network activity on a busy server without manually rerunning the commands. So for that we use watch command. And that's it for this tutorial. We have covered the SS command and how it helps you to analyze the network connections and find the listening services and also troubleshoot the issue efficiently. These commands apply to most modern Linux distribution including Rocky Linux, Ubuntu, and Fedora. So no matter what distro you are using, SS is a must-know tool. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Linux tutorials. Check out our other videos for more tips on system administrator. See you in the next tutorial and thanks for watching.